Hello everyone, today I will talk with you about project KryptoPal. Let's do this. KryptoPal is a blockchain platform which you can combine with different programs and any point on the globe to provide currency or cryptocurrency transaction. KryptoPal intends to launch a set of mechanisms and tools for developers to use in their familiar programming language to merge with blockchain or to the form of non-centralized programs. The main purpose of the company is to get the first place in the introfusion of the cryptocurrency blockchain and other progressive technologies in the overall virtual economic. As is work. If you use the platform for an existing application, it immediately connects to Ethereum, establishes link to other applications on the network, and the user can communicate and make cryptocurrency transactions. The production feature of the KryptoPal platform allow application developers to work efficiently on new decentralized programs and services. Thanks to provide components, existing application and services easily connect to new decentralized technologies. The KryptoPal platform can be linked with any program. Internet Explorer on device to integrate blockchain properties, encryption of transaction, smart contracts, familiarization with the blockchain condition and self-storage. Using platform mechanism and tools, application developers, engineer and web designer will be able to implement blockchain support without losing significant resources and not having a long process. A demonstrated version of the platform is already available for viewing. Benefits: KryptoPal responds to current requests which are related to the restriction of execution integration of blockchain technologies at the cryptocurrency by creating a global platform that combines modern market facilities into a holistic mechanism. Set application creators will be able to embed KryptoPal tools into existing programs without forcing customers to switch to new tools. Obstacles minimalization for the user of blockchain using and connection of nodes to the technology in no time, reducing the financial and resource losses in the development process that require to integrate with the blockchain. Eliminating the delay, KryptoPal-powered programs are capable of opening an universal channel for all net payments. That working in the progressive network is rated for closing online transaction with rates equal to zero. Association of applications over the world providing new connectivity for different programs to work together as set of endpoints that abstracting to use software protocols and launch blockchain options. Conclusion of smart contracts that help to link any program with the current application, abstracting the client in connection with the blockchain. Standardized identity management, a universal and local final identification point that is information from the suppliers or users register can be used to archive the efficiency of the address list of currents between programs. Method of using the KryptoPal site. There is cryptocurrency wallet in the financial application which is ephemeral for the consumer. There are cryptocurrency transfer in the user program. Using of cryptocurrency in game, electronic commerce, shopping online, global transaction in applications for mobile devices, large web transaction, point of sale POS, encouraging consumers, cryptocurrency transaction on ICO. Name of the token: KPX. Total will be released 1 billion KPX. Soft cap $4 million, hard cap $60 million. The price of the token on pre-sale 80 cents. Emily is an annual operator digital market. Now I will talk with you about Team KPX. Vankat Nalapiti, Chief Exclusive Officer. Jason Horton, Chief Technology Officer. Yannick Cantor, Chief Regulatory Officer. York Sanchez, Chief Marketing Officer. York is data and technology driver marketer with the ability to blend advanced technological capital like machine learning with empathy touch to create and execute efficient marketing strategies. With production business acumen and insight, York will deliver go-to-market and growth strategies that provide explosion experience at scale involving the blockchain for several years. He is passionate about helping bring further decentralized web and ensuring people, apps, devices, and services to deliver the internet of available to the global community on avid learner George Druss. Influence from the fields of cryptocurrency, science, art, physiology, history, and economics. Camille Evans Patterson, Community Relation. Camille is an author, app creator, digital marketer, entrepreneur, and teacher specializing in communism. She is currently involved in blockchain technologies, e-commerce, and cryptocurrency domains. She is responsible for supporting the KryptoPal community and calls. Camille has a BSc in science at Oklahoma State University. She is actively involved in the process and developer of KryptoPal. She called herself the mother of the community. Christopher Basculin, Chief Economist, with 30 years international experience based in Northeast Asia, Trist, a natural polyglot, as Director of Agro Materials Trading and Shipping Supply Chains Worldwide. Trist provides best foreign directed investment, recognition support and strategic risk assessment to various industry and governments. Since 2015, Chris focuses on blockchain and Internet of Money and value, open financial system, business process transformers, and digital inclusions. Chris holds French master degree includes in civil engineering and in business, and did interesting studying in strategy and defense at the Australian National University. In 2017-18, Chris was ranked as one of top archivists among students in the MSc in digital currency and blockchain at the University of Nicosia Cryptos. Board of Advisors: Muhammad Al-Ali. Muhammad Ali is a result-oriented professional with over 2 decades of private sector in strategic planning, financial management, and institutional helpline with various interests in Bahrain and around the world. He is a graduate of economics and finance from Bentley University in management. USA cryptocurrency. He is the Vice Crypto co-founder and CEO of Gulf University in Bahrain. He is also the managing director of Al-Khema International Schools in GCC, generation director of Berlitz, general director fund of Modi Decor Deputy founder and member of Econ Parents organization and managing director. This project is very powerful and not simple. Yes, it looks not so dusty on paper, but will the developers to be able to release this project? There are all their prerequisites for what they can. There is a demonstration version of KryptoPal platform in the network. The project must be completed because the